Hey everyone out there in YouTube land again, this is Solon, and I want to bring to you a thrift haul video of a good score at one of my local thrift stores. This where I picked up 30 new in the box N scale electric trains, and before I could actually do the video, I've sold 10 of the trains for right at $600. I originally purchased all 30 trains for $8 a piece, which ended up costing me $240. But I want to go ahead and show you what I've got left. It's about 20 trains, and I'll let you see what ones I picked up there at the thrift store. It was an amazing haul, and got some really good stuff. It's unusual to find, items like this at the thrift store, so I went ahead and jumped on it as soon as I got them. This is a lifelike N scale locomotive. This is the Burlington Northern engine number 2098. I also picked up a Atlantic Coastline Railways engine number 666 N scale in the collection. Got an Illinois Central Gulf N scale box car. It's very unusual, very hard to find that particular type. I think I've only seen one on eBay posted. This is a Southern Railroad engine number 1142. Item number. On all these things are still mint in the box, never been opened. This is a Union Pacific engine number 1400. Again, it's a lifelike trains N scale locomotive. I mean, just some really cool items. Picked up this one. This is a lifelike trains N scale locomotive. This is the CSX engine number 6638 N scale. And the thing about, there was no train in here that was a duplicate. They were all different, every one of them that I picked up. This one here is an Atlas company. It's an engine number 7606 for the Cotton Belt Railway lines. Still new in the pack. Amazing. Here I picked up an Atlas N scale. This is Burlington Southern Railway, and this is engine number, looks like 875, I think, or 975. Other one out was an Atlas Classics. This is, I can't read the name on that one right there. But anyway, it's brand new. Engine number, let's see if you can read it right there. Erie. Okay, it's the Erie Lackawanna Railway. Okay, that's kind of a rare one anyway, I believe. I don't remember seeing any of those on eBay when I was looking them over. You see they're still in the pack. This is Erie Railroad Atlas Alco RS3. Still new in the pack. Still got the packing on it. There's another Atlas new in the packing still. This is the Maine Central Railroad, engine number 802. This is a Bachman Plus Coach Great Northern Railroad. Put that upside down here. And it's a coach car. Still new in the pack. Kato. Now the thing about Kato, most of those that I sold already were Kato ones, and they're made in Japan. They're very precision made little N scale trains. And this is what you call a closed side covered hopper. That's pretty neat. Picked up this one. Now this is a rare one. I did look this one up on eBay out of curiosity. It is still new in the pack. It is a Marklin 8898 item number. It's from a mini club, but the train is like a 1800s train, steam engine. It was used over in sorry, my battery's going dead on me. Used overseas during early World War I believe. This one is an lifelike N scale locomotive. This is the Conrail engine, 7941. Still brand new in the pack. Got a couple more here. Maybe get them out of the thing for you. This is another Bachmann Plus coach. It's called a combine coach. It's a combination, I think, of a luggage area and a coach sitting area. So that was kind of a rare one there. Let's see here. This next one here is another Bachmann Plus coach. I mean, you just never know what you're going to find at a thrift store, that's for sure. Another Bachmann coach. I think every one of these coaches here were from the Great Northern Railroad. This is coach number 961. And I got one more Bachmann coach. I believe that it was all of them. I mean, it's just unusual to walk into a thrift store and see so many trains at one time. I have found one or two on the shelf from time to time, and most of those were usually used. Most of those were in the whole scale, but very good find. I think it's going to probably end up netting me about $1,300 time it's all over with. But we'll flip them on eBay. But I hope you enjoyed that. If you're an N-scale train enthusiast, man, that was a great find. Glad I got to share it with you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.